living, dreaming of what we can't be. The future is what we can't see. What happened to being ignorant to these damn streets? And time was limited, I ain't give a shit, I get pissed. Cause to me it didn't exist. Better for me, felt so lost when I was 17. But love the feeling of waking up, not giving a fuck of where I'm gonna be. So blind that I can't see what's in front of me. No lie, tipping the bottle back and just fucking lean. Alright, cause to me the rules never applied. We chill 3 in the morning, can't let a moment just pass by. Some ask why, but I'm too high to pay them any mind. No heavy grind, just the thought of being broke was fine. Grin on my face, I'm loving the day. We 10 deep up on the staircase, puffing away the cops around but never felt nervous. And looking back it wasn't worth it, but it felt perfect. Whatever happened to living carefree? Whatever happened to being carefree? Just living for the moment. Nah, it is. Whatever happened to living carefree? All I got is time. Yo, whatever happened to kicking it all night? Come home and sleeping all day. Wake up, repeat the same thing. Feel like nothing could change me. Doing a 9 to 5 to survive. Shit just ain't me. I'd rather fill up a nickel bag and slang it. Just maintain it. I can't complain. I got my dogs with me. We smoking raw. If we get up into it, they gon' rise and fall with me. My heart is simply beating fast when the speakers blast. Riding around town, clowning, looking for freaks to pass. Blunt passing, bowls, triple blown glass, and nobody asking what time it is. Cause with or without it, we just lounging. This is how it is. And all of my niggas could reminisce to just the sound of this. Cause these thoughts will live forever like spelling your name up in the concrete. And that's about as real as the blood flowing through my heartbeat. Cause all I got is love for mine. I sit and reminisce, my vision will just hit rewind. Whatever happened to being carefree? I can't call it, I can't call it. Whatever happened to living carefree? Whatever happened to being carefree? Just living for the moment. Nah, it is. Whatever happened to living carefree? All I got is time. Remember them nights back in the days on the corner rapping? I be frontin', coming up with something to keep them hoes laughing. We get drunk, passing the bottle round, no chase. Then we stunt like this the shit I fucking love to taste. Knowing damn well I'm breathing fire and my chest burning, my head spinning. I'm addicted to the fast version of life, and it's that urgent that I live it up for the night. Cause tomorrow may not ever come for some, and I might be one of them. So ain't no reason for me to be fake, this is who I am. Ain't worried about nobody else, just staying true to him. I know what I'm into, I just take it in stride. They say I'm stupid, I'm just living my life. I know what I'm into, I just take it in stride. They say I'm stupid, I'm just living my life. You see me, full of that best weed, yes me. But nevertheless I'm living stress-free, stress-free, stress-free. Whatever happened to being carefree?